Hey guys, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Master Renz. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Nook's Top 5. Ang pamagat ay 10 scary videos to freak you out. So make sure mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Nook's Top 5. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz at pakiclick na rin ang bell button para lagi kayong update sa aking mga bagong video. So shoutout sa mga subscribers sa mga viewers ko dyan. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagsuporta. So wag na nating patagalin to. Without further ado, let's go sa go.
This next clip allegedly comes from CCTV cameras in an unknown city in the Philippines.
Uy,
A woman in a red hoodie is
ayos Philippines kagad Buhay na mano. Saka nakaka-proud to na nakikilala rin yung Pilipinas sa mga pagdating sa mga ganitong content, sa mga horror. So panoorin natin kung anong kwento nito.
seen walking along a city street, but the CCTV camera image becomes very strange.
Saan galing mo?
Ang galing doon sa
Ano kayo mangyayari dito?
ito sa may Maligaya Street yan. Yan ang mabuti sa mga lang ulo.
Uy, nawawala yung ulo. Baka glitch lang yan.
Sira yung CCTV natin.
Baka glitch or may sira lang yung CCTV.
Pacheck kay Sanchez yun.
Wala nga ulo.
Wala yung ulo.
Naku.
Ito yung anong bangka?
As you can see in the clip, the video seems to glitch in a very bizarre way.
Baka glitch lang yan. O di, yun nga, may problema yung CCTV nila. O yung sa computer nila. So kung saan nakakonik yung CCTV. Pero tignan natin, tuloy natin.
Making it look as if the woman's head disappears multiple times. But oddly, the rest of the video is perfectly clear. Now, in the Philippines, there's a strange superstition that says that if someone appears in a photograph without a head, it means that that person will soon pass away.
Nako.
Creepily enough, a few minutes later, and this happens.
Ayun no, bilis.
Oh no!
Wala ng pwede.
Oh my! Masasagasaan. Hala. Oh!
Unfortunate woman is accidentally struck by a runaway taxi van, and it is said
Katakot yun Grabe naman yun. Ang creepy nun, out of nowhere nasagasaan after nung nakita siyang walang ulo.
that she did actually pass away as the result of her injuries, just like the old Filipino superstition says. Now, this clip immediately went viral on Philippines websites and social media, but no one knows the original source of the video, which leaves us to wonder, is this real proof of the paranormal? Or is it just an old malfunctioning CCTV system? Or is it all just a...
Ang hirap sabihin din kasi nga di ba tayo mga Pilipino, may kasabihan nga na pag ang isang tao nakikita ang walang ulo, ibig sabihin nga may masamang mangyayari. Ganyan nga nangyayari, may ebidensya. Pwede natin sabihin na coincidence lang din yung nangyayari nga. Pero syempre yun nga, habang mas lalong lumakas yung paniniwala sa superstitious belief na totoo pala na may possibility na kapag nakikita ang isang tao walang ulo, may mangyayaring masama dun sa tao.
very elaborate hoax. As always, you decide. Nightlight.
Katakot yun. Sobrang nakakatakot yun sa totoo lang.
A woman named Brandis says that late one night while she and her husband were sleeping, their home security camera caught this strange event at 2:45 in the morning.
Ano kaya to? Uy, may sumilip. May anino?
The family dog perks up as a bright light flashes and what looks like a pale little face seems to peek out of the door. Then a shadowy figure about the size of a child seems to be standing in the hallway before disappearing, just as the little pale face peeks out of the door again. Brandis and her husband Sky have never posted or even experienced anything paranormal, and they say they have no idea what this could be.
Pag ganyan, maglipat bahay na kayo niyan. Kung ako sa kanila, lipat bahay na pag ganyan.
Something at the door. Chase Beckstead and his wife Rachel are staying overnight in the house of Rachel's recently deceased grandfather. The elderly man had passed away in the house only 1 month earlier. So the couple is just settling in for the night when suddenly something happens that is downright creepy.
No, kakatakot to.
How you doing? You okay?
I don't know.
You a little freaked out?
A little bit.
So, we were just going to bed and we're not...
Nako, oh my. May kumakatok.
Let me just show you.
Yan, nakakatakot
we
yun
literally
eh.
had to put the bag up against the door because we're not sure.
So, walang tao. Ay, ang creepy nito.
And like, we're literally just...
Even though there's no draft or air current in the house, the bedroom door begins to randomly move as if it's being quickly pulled back and...
Tsaka imposibleng kung galing sa hangin yan. Kung hangin man yung nagpapagalaw dyan, imposibleng ganyang kalakas pag hangin para sa akin. Kasi, ewan ko para sa akin imposible. Lalo syempre kung hangin ng aircon. Diba? Sobrang lakas naman nun. Para sa akin imposible. Mukhang may malaking possibility na paranormal activity itong nakukuhanan niya.
Forth by some unseen force. Understandably, Chase and Rachel are pretty shaken up by the strange, unexplained phenomena. They decide to just pack up their stuff and leave the house.
Tama yun, tama.
But this is when things get even creepier.
Okay, so we're leaving.
Tama yun,
We
tama.
got all of our stuff packed. Oh
my.
Oh my gosh.
Iwanan mo na yan.
Yeah,
Iwanan mo na.
Rachel's already in the car.
Iwanan
I'm
mo na.
leaving. Like, I don't know what's going on.
As Chase is gathering their luggage, the bedroom door slams shut right behind him. And again, it begins to move back and forth, this time even faster than before. Chase says that he still has no idea what could have caused the strange movement of the door. Some video commenters believe that this was the ghost of Rachel's recently deceased grandpa, but some think it might have been something more sinister that had taken up residence in the house. But what do you
Mas
think?
nakakatakot yun pag ibang sinisters.
The follower. It's around 5:30 in the morning and two girls are on a hike through the mountains in the Philippines with a large group.
Philippines na naman, no? Saka natatandaan ko to. Ito yung reaction video ko kay Goosebumps Top 5. Si ate, ito yun, no? Tatandaan ko.
The girls stop a little too long to take some pictures and accidentally get left behind by the group. The girls run to catch up with the other hikers as one of them films, but her camera captures something truly bizarre.
Naliligaw kami, guys! Naliligaw! Wala ni mga
Tatandaan ko
kasama
to.
namin! Wala yung mga kasama namin. Kailangan namin silang habulin.
Ayun, no?
Kasi
May anino.
maliligaw kami. Gagi, malayo na sila. Wala na.
Yan nakakatakot yan. Ayun, it's nawala yung
Did you
anino.
see it? As the two girls run along the mountain trail, way back in the background, some strange shadow figure seems to be following them. But a little bit later, the mysterious dark figure has just disappeared.
Nawala.
The girl who posted this video says that she and her friend were completely alone and they have no idea who or what this could be. She's
Baka sa akin, natatandaan ko yung mga nababasa ko sa comment na to. Ang sabi nila mostly, may tawag yung incubus daw. Ang tawag sa mga nag-comment dito sa TikTok video ko. Diba? Yeah, mga engkanto. Pero kung napansin ko lang dito, bakit sila iniwanan ng mga kasama nila? Kasi pang mga ganyang grupo-grupo, dapat hindi iniiwanan eh. Dapat sama-sama talaga. Parang yung nag-attendance muna. Kung sino yung kulang, kung sino yung wala. Diba? So para sa akin, ito nga itong nangyari kay ate. Mostly talaga sa mga kabundukan dito sa Pilipinas, malaki ang chance na may mga ganyan makukuhanan, mga engkanto nga. At sa mga iba't ibang entity or creatures.
She says that she only noticed the shadowy figure when she watched her video back later. So, what do you think? Was someone stalking them through the remote woods? Or just what is this? You decide. A short stay. A guy named Brendan has a YouTube channel where he camps in his van in some strange and sometimes very dangerous locations across the UK. In this video, Brendan decided to camp overnight in the coastal village of Jaywick in Essex, England. Now, amongst other things, Jaywick is known as one of Britain's poorest towns and has a very high crime rate. In other words, it's not really the best place to be camping overnight in a van. But that doesn't stop Brendan.
A little town in England called Jaywick, coined as one of the most deprived towns in the UK. I thought as soon as we're in the area, I just had to go and see it.
Brendan searches around and eventually finds a place to set up camp that is just outside of town and kind of in the middle of nowhere.
Listen to me. I'm alone, but I mean, there's no other houses around me, so
Lalabas ka?
it's not as if I'm alone in a housing estate.
Nako.
Brendan sets up his bed in the van and lies down for a night's sleep. But around 2:30 in the morning, things take a terrifying turn.
Oh my. 2:30. May nakakahamdam na. May tao sa labas ng van niya. Nako. Oh my.
Hey!
Oy! Binasag oh. Takbo na.
Right, whoever the that was has now gone.
Umalis ka na dyan. Ako.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Delikado yun.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck's sake.
Delikado yung ganito. Delikado yung ganyan. Napakadelikado ng mga ganyan. Yun yung malaking chance na pwede siyang hold upin eh. Pag mga ganyang, lalo na pag ganyang pagpa-vlog na ang content mo, pupunta ako saan-saan. Diba yun ang pinakadelikado. Hindi yung multo eh. Yung mga ganyang mga hold upper. Bilisan mo.
Someone with a flashlight skulks around outside Brendan's van, trying the door handles, before smashing the window to get inside.
Hey!
Luckily, Brendan yells and sends the intruder running. He then hops in the driver's seat and just gets out of there. Brendan makes it out safe, but obviously is very shaken up by the whole ordeal. He decides to not only leave the town of Jaywick, but to drive all night, 3.5 hours, all the way back to his home.
I just, quite frankly, just wanted to go home. I was really, I wasn't in a good mind space. After cleaning a little bit of broken glass from my driver's seat and the dashboard, you'd be surprised how far glass goes when it smashes. I've been finding little bits everywhere, but the van was in no fit state to continue camping in, and nor was my headspace, should we say. So I made the long journey back home. I think it was a good 3.5 hour drive back to my house. Got there just before sunrise. Not a pleasant drive, to say the least.
Despite this frightening encounter, Brendan still goes camping in his van and posts his adventures over on his YouTube channel, Brendan Explores. If you see something that you think would be perfect for the top 5, email me at 5official and be sure to tag me on there. Get out. A guy named Carter moved into a new fully furnished rental house. But not long after he moved in, he began to experience strange things and hear unexplained noises. Late one night while he's asleep in bed, he hears the creepy sound of what seems to be someone hitting keys on the piano in his living room.
Nako, piano. Nako, walang tao. Tayo dyan.
Who's there?
Carter decides to lay on his living room couch to try to figure out just what is going on with the piano. As you might imagine, it did not go well.
Dude, what the f***?
Ay, hindi na.
The piano
Hindi na
plays
daga
again
yun.
and a chair moves, and Carter decides that he's had about enough. He decides to leave the house to stay with a friend. But as he is leaving, he manages to capture this video.
O, iwanan mo na yan. Nakakatakot to.
As Carter heads for his car, he sees his TV flickering and his lights randomly turning on and off inside his house.
Oh, nako.
Now, usually when people watch these videos, they say, well, if the place is so haunted, then why wouldn't he just move out?
Iwanan mo na yung bahay
Well,
niya.
that's exactly what he did. Carter moved right out of that house.
Very
and the end of this haunted story, I guess.
Very good.
Hiding under the covers. A video poster who calls himself Celtic Dabs works the reception desk at a creepy old hotel in Arizona. One day, his coworker shows him something very strange that keeps happening in one of the rooms.
Oy. Ano yan?
What the f... Nah.
Uy.
Yeah, cause
Baka may daga.
let me hit it now. And then
Yeah.
May daga. Patay.
Bro.
Something seems to be moving around in a strange erratic pattern under the bedsheet. But when Celtic's coworker slaps the sheet, it just disappears. Celtic says that each time the sheet was tidied back up, the same weird phenomenon would happen again. So, just what do you think this could be? Also, if whatever is under the sheet isn't enough to scare you, well, just imagine staying in a hotel that puts sheets like this on the bed. Honestly, the thought of sleeping in those sheets scares me more than whatever is moving around under there. So either way, this video is truly disturbing. Night call. Late one night in Pueblo, Colorado, an emergency call comes into the 911 dispatch center. But whoever made the call hangs up almost immediately. The 911 operators trace the call and find that it came from Imperial Memorial Gardens. Well, the weird thing is, Imperial Memorial Gardens is a funeral home surrounded by an 80-year-old cemetery. And it's 3:30 in the morning, so no one should be there.
Sinong tatawag nga dun sa ganong oras, 3:30 AM? Eh di ba mga ganyan, mostly ang alam ko may mga oras ang duty ng mga yan, di ba? 3:30 AM, funeral, graveyard, di ba? Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun?
Now, as standard procedure, the 911 emergency operators call the funeral home back to make sure everything is okay. And someone answers the phone. This is what the 911 operators hear.
911, this is Erica. How can I help you? Hello?
Ay, nakakatakot.
Hello? Hello?
Yung static ko. Dami nabasa ko dati sa Facebook sa isang call center dito na sa Pilipinas. Nagkaroon din siya ng insidente niyan. Pero doon sa actual call, nakausap niya yung customer or yung customer na sa other line ng agent. Ngayon na nangyari doon, nung ni-record nila, walang kahit anong boses ang nakakunan doon sa boses ng guest. Kaya gulat na gulat yung nung pinakinggan ng agent yung call, na akala niya may boses pala. Doon sa recorded, dead air lang. Walang as in boses. Kagaya daw nito. Tsaka dagdag ko lang, kapag mostly mga ganitong insidente, malaki yung chance na spirit o multo yung kausap mo sa other line.
There's a lot of static and a quiet male voice seems to say something a few times, but then the call just goes silent. Again, as part of standard procedure, the emergency operators send the police to check out the old funeral home. But when the officers arrive, they find the funeral home locked up and all the lights are off. No one's there. Now, I tried to clean up the call audio as much as possible, but there's just not much there.
Hello? Hello?
So, just who made this call? And what do you think they might be saying? Lurking in the dark. A man in South Wales walks out to his car very early one Wednesday morning to head off to work. It's just before 5 a.m. and the rest of the neighborhood is still asleep. No one else is around, and the man doesn't notice anything unusual. But later that night, as the man checks through his security camera feed, he sees something that sends a shiver down his spine.
Ano kaya to? Ang napanood ko na to. Oh, ayun no. Nako, nakakatakot dyan.
As the man approaches his car, some lumbering form seems to appear out of nowhere, quickly hurrying away. And then, whatever this is, simply disappears into thin air. Now, the figure moves at a very odd angle and speed for this to be a lens flare. And considering that the rest of the video is in sharp focus, it seems very unlikely that this is some kind of compression error or problem with the camera. So, just who or what is this? Scary videos. So I like to end these videos with the stuff that kind of starts off scary and then just gets weird and kind of goofy. Speaking of which, TikToker Dre in Dallas experiences something spooky in his home, but instead of chasing it down to record with his phone, he goes the complete other way.
Come on, where you hide her stuff at?
Mom, where's my Gucci?
Uy, anong nangyari? Uy.
No, I'm not. Come on, Janae. Come on, Janae. Janae, come on.
Habol. Patay.
Janae, come on, free. Come on.
Patay tayo. Hinabol.
Next up. Now, this video from Matt Sowards was shot on a country road in the middle of nowhere with no other cars around anywhere. Do not ever do this prank to someone who is driving.
Uy, ayun no. Delikado yun no.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Vi compa con una calavera.
So, in case you missed it, the guy in the backseat hangs a life-size cardboard cutout of a zombie out of his window and dangles it in front of the driver's window. And the driver slams on the brakes and freaks right out.
Delikado yun. Kahit ako, magugulat din ako pag nakakita ko ng ganyan. Diba, hindi nakakalain na prank lang yun eh. Kasi syempre nakafocus ka sa pagdadrive. Itong nangyari, itong insidenteng to, bad joke to. Bad joke to.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Vi compa con una calavera.
Now, lately on this channel, I've shown many kids scaring their parents for their own amusement. But you see, this segment is very different because TikToker Katie Funny Guy makes videos where he scares the shit out of his wife and kids.
Never say nothing. Never say
Lakas ng type pa.
Hello. I'm right here.
Lakas ng type nito ah. Ang lakas ng type.
Bro, what you doing, man? What you doing? That's too damn loud, bro.
But now, recently, Katie Funny Guy had an experience where something maybe gave him a little taste of his own medicine.
Ano kaya mangyayari dito? yung kasama. Nako. Ano kaya yung patay tayo dyan? Ikaw lang mag-isa sa bahay.
I was trying to, look, I was creeping. I'm talking about, yo, I was shook. What would you would have done? Hell, you gonna peek around the corner. For real, for real. The f***. Look, I was scared too. I just ain't show it.
So, I think the lesson here is, if you keep scaring your family yourself, then the ghost in your house might take that personally. Anyway, thanks for watching and hopefully...
Tinuhuan siya ng leksyon. Yun ibig sabihin nun. So yun, thanks for watching. Na-miss ko to, Nooks Top 5. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe kayo pala dito kay Nooks Top 5. Huwag nyo kalilimutan. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz. At pakiclick na kayo ng bell button para laging update sa aking mga bagong video. Lalo na sa aking mga scary content. So thank you so much po sa pagsama. Ingat po kayo palagi.